In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Pinterest with Facebook account or Gmail. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar at the top, type in the Pinterest website address and press enter. This will take you to the Pinterest landing page, which is the main homepage you see before you're logged in. On this page, you'll usually see a grid of images and ideas, but you won't be able to save or organize anything until you sign in. Once the Pinterest homepage has loaded, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button that says Log In. Go ahead and click on that. This is the button that takes you to the sign-in screen, where you can choose which account you want to use to access Pinterest. After clicking Log In, a new window or panel will appear with different sign-in options. In the past, you might have been able to log in directly with Facebook, but that option is no longer available. Instead, Pinterest now focuses on using your email and password or your Google account. Here, look for the button that says Continue with Google or Continue As, followed by the name of your Google account. This button lets you sign in using the Gmail or Google account that's already connected to your browser or device. If you don't see your account listed, you may need to click on an option to use another account and then enter your Gmail address and password. Click on the Continue As button for the Google account you want to use. If your browser is already logged into that Google account, Pinterest will use it to identify you. Sometimes a confirmation window may pop up asking if you give Pinterest permission to access basic information from your Google account, such as your name and email address. This is standard for sign-in services, and you'll need to accept to move forward. Next, you might see your account name or email appear again on the screen. Click on it once more to confirm that this is the account you want to use. After that, Pinterest will automatically log you in and redirect you to your home feed. You'll know you're signed in when you can see your profile picture or initials in the top right corner, and you're able to save and organize pins into boards.